Hey there, my dear friends, it's Agatha and I'm so glad to have you back on my channel. Today I'm going to share my absolute favorite strategy, which is perfect even for beginners in trading. This strategy has been tested by me many times and has already allowed me to buy my dream car and much more. Today I'm gonna show it to you in action and explain how to find the ideal entry points to get outstanding results. No time to waste, let's get started. I've already got my trading platform open, and the great thing about this platform is that there are no issues with withdrawals. By the way, today I've already withdrawn my main funds just to create a beginner scenario for you. Now I want to show you how you can grow your balance using my strategy with just 5 in your account. Now let's get down to business. Let's head over to my favorite platform and get it ready for trading. Alright, let's set the time for our trade. Like I said, we are starting with 5. The candle time frame is 30 seconds, and now we choose the pairs. And here is the most important part, the indicator settings. Alligator and envelopes. Make sure to match the indicator parameters exactly with mine, especially when trading on the 1-minute time frame. I go into all the details for my top strategies with traders on my Telegram channel. On top of that, to make sure my 18,000 subscribers are trading as beneficially as possible, I share the strategies I use every day. This means anyone can copy my moves and get the same results. Join for free by clicking the first link in the description or pinned comment. Okay, friends, let's dive into our trading session. Watch closely as I walk you through everything I'm doing. So we're on our first pair. We can see there is a strong downward trend overall. After the recent bullish bounce, we're expecting a bearish move. Let's see. So friends, in just 1 minute we've got 4 units. Not a lot, but it's still nice and we're just getting started. Let's move on to the next pair, a British and an Australian. We've got a similar situation here, as we can see. The key is to catch it during the bearish impulse. We are going down. Everything is going according to plan. Okay, moving on. Here we've got a trend reversal from the historical high, and we're expecting a move down. My experience in technical analysis really boosts our results. Let's go back to the first pair. Indicators are showing a continued drop. Let's not argue with them and follow the signals. Awesome! What do you think? Let's keep going. The British and the Australian again. On this pair, the price continues to move within a channel, following a downward trend. And so far, there are no signals of a reversal. $123 from just 5 in a few moments. Tell me what else can give you results like that? I know that for beginners it can sometimes be hard to choose the right direction. That's why on my Telegram channel I hold daily sessions and answer my subscribers' questions. By the way, I regularly get feedback like this. Thank you guys for trusting me, and to all the newcomers, welcome. The link is in the description or the pinned comment. Take a look, we can see that the next pair continues in a downward trend. Both indicators confirm it, so we're going down again. You see the numbers we are hitting? I've got to say it makes me happy. Wow, it's getting more exciting with each trade. Let's keep going. Let's move on to our next pair. It's still heading downward with no signs of slowing down. So let's try this one down as well. Let's hit that button. And now we've just hit 459. fantastic. The British and the Australian are giving us good news again. The market dynamics has changed, and now the pair has reversed from the low. We are going up. Friends, watching those numbers grow brings me so much joy. Can you imagine how great it feels to trade with a cup of coffee in hand and in the comfort of your home? Head over to my Telegram channel where I hold regular sessions and share my tips. What's that sound in my wallet? I'd say it's an achievement, but we can do even better. Alright, here is the next pair. After such a long bullish movement, I'm expecting a pullback. So it makes sense to go down from here. That was expected, and once again my forecast didn't let me down. My experience leads to another solid result. Let's keep going. Let's move on. The bears are pushing to break through another support level. Let's see if they succeed. Friends, if there are any beginners out there, I'm sure you've got a lot of questions. On my Telegram channel, I'm happy to answer my subscribers and help them trade. So head over to the link in the description and ask away. In the meantime, wow, look how far we've come. Take a look for yourself. And to think it all started with just 5, remember? Okay, let's keep going. The candles are breaking through the resistance level, and I think the bulls have an opportunity to grow even more. Oh my god, look at this beautiful ring on my finger already. But I know I can do more, so let's keep pushing. On this pair, both indicators show positive conditions for growth. Looks like we are in for a strong upward move. Yes, this session is turning out to be top-notch, just a few more trades. Alright, this one looks like it's gearing up for a nice upward move. The number in our account now is nothing like what we started with. Just look at our result, but let's show off one more time. Let's go. Okay, what do we have here? Looks like a trend reversal is coming, and now the market will definitely plummet down. And a solid close. Whew, what a way to wrap up our session! So, how long did that take me? About 15 minutes? Not bad, right? Remember where we started? Just 5. And now? Feels unbelievable, doesn't it? But I've shown you it's possible. Wanna do the same? It's totally doable. There was a time when I couldn't even imagine getting in one day what my father made in an entire month. To help others reach their dreams, I share tons of useful information with my 18,000 subscribers on my Telegram channel. I personally support all beginners, showing them how to use the trading platform, what buttons to press, and I guide them through everything step by step. All for free. You can simply copy my trades, follow my moves, and get the same amazing results. All you need to do is take a couple of simple steps. Join my Telegram channel and send me a personal message. Don't be afraid to try something new. Click the first link in the description or the pinned comment under this video and send me a message. So I wish you luck, and I'll see you on my Telegram.